How to know who viewed my profile on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can figure out who has viewed your profile on Telegram. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So unlike TikTok, which has the option called profile views, which will let other people know whose profile you viewed, and the feature is also rolling out on Instagram, unfortunately the feature is not yet available for Telegram users because Telegram is very careful about its privacy. It will not let anybody know as to who has went ahead and then searched for their specific profile on Telegram. And of course, you can only view someone's profile as long as you've messaged them or as long as you are in each other's contacts or you basically have each other's phone number. Other than that, you will not be able to contact a specific person. So what you need to do is, if I just go ahead and open up Telegram, let's say I view a specific person's profile, but then if I tap on their profile, and they will actually not be able to go ahead and figure out if I view their profile or not. So that is the case with your own profile as well. If somebody goes ahead and then views your profile, they will not be able to figure out, and you will not be able to figure out if someone has actually viewed your profile. This is simply the privacy feature. Hopefully Telegram might update this in the future, but that is very unlikely considering that Telegram is a privacy focused application. But anyway, this answered your question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.